Today we're exploring how different angles and lens choices can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Perspective in photography is how we capture the spatial relationships between objects. By changing our camera position or lens, we can alter these relationships, creating unique and compelling images. The key angles we'll focus on are high, low, and eye level, along with the impact of wide angle and zoom lenses. Hey everyone, I'm Mike from Rogala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. High angle shots look down on a subject, often conveying vulnerability or giving an overview of a scene. This angle can simplify backgrounds, making your subject really stand out. Conversely, a low angle shot can create a sense of power or grandeur, emphasizing height and depth. It's a great way to capture towering architecture or to make the subject appear larger than life. I love using the low angle shot up at the sky, either when there's dramatic storm clouds or a dramatic sunset or sunrise. It looks really, really amazing. It makes the sky look so big and vast. Most photographers will default to eye level as it reflects the human perspective. While comfortable and natural, exploring beyond this can uncover new dimensions in your photography. So if you're standing there taking your photo like this, your photos are going to look like 99.9% of every other photo. So change it up a bit. Wide angle lenses excel in capturing vast landscapes or tight interiors, bringing an immersive feel to them. They can exaggerate depth, perspective, leading viewers into the scene. The distortion you get from a wide angle lens can also create a sense of vastness or even comedy. Like I said before, when using a low angle, do that with a wide angle lens, you'll get some amazing sunsets and sunrise photos. Zoom lenses allow you to get close to the action from afar, isolating your subjects and compressing space. This focal length is perfect for highlighting details or creating a shallow depth of field. Hey, now is probably a good time for you to subscribe to my channel and click that like button. I really appreciate it. Thank you. As I mentioned earlier, most photographers tend to shoot at eye level. And while eye level is intuitive, it's also very limiting. By merely changing your camera's height, you can discover fresh new perspectives. Challenge yourself to see the world differently. If you go down low, you kind of give a child's perspective. If you go up high, you might give a bird's perspective. Stooping low or reaching high, and observe the transformation in your photography. Start experimenting with angles and focal lengths in your daily photography. Use a wide angle lens for landscapes to capture grandeur, or try a zoom lens for intimate portraits. Or reverse that. Use a wide angle lens for portraits and a zoom lens in your landscape photography. Completely change it up. Don't forget to include some foreground elements to really add dimension or to convey a story to your photo. Remember, the best tool you have is your perspective. Move around your subject as well. Get close, step back, climb up high, lay down low. Each shift will open up new possibilities. The power of perspective in photography is limitless. It's not just about what you see, but how you choose to see it. Elevate your photography by exploring every angle and embracing every focal length. Take care, everyone.